On na? Hmm?
Yes.
Um, this is the Saladmaster hit controller, like skillet. So the problem of this, the digital uh, won't work. So the most common problem of this, just like a ground or like it's a IC. So I will remove uh, all the screw, and then I will trouble or let's say resolder the IC parts of this digital head control. This is from the Saladmaster skillet. So remove all the screw, four by here, and then by here, and then remove the cover, and then you can see there's a parts by here. So remove everything, the screw from the sensor heater connected on the base, and then four screw on the board by here, and then other side, then other side. So now I already removed. So this is the digital clock display, and then there's a switch by here. So switch up for the control, switch down, and then you can lock, and then select, and then this is the power. So this is the upper portion that is only connected through socket, so you can separate each other, and then you can see that there's an IC by here. So the most common problem this is IC. So I will resolder this because there's a problem, like the digital uh, won't work. So I will try to resolder every terminal of the IC. So I will show you how to solder it. So I already ready my soldering iron, and then it's already hit, ready to solder. So you have to do is solder. So that's it. So I already resoldered. So everything is alright. So just only the IC. And then before you plug in, so you have to clean every what do you call this one? Every terminal of the IC. Maybe there's ground both terminal. So looks like all fine now. So that's it. So I will try if these things will come back to life. If not, the problem is the common of this is IC, so it's really rare. So it's hard to find this, parts. The parts is 3 P70F 4XZZ ZZ. That's the part number of the IC. So let's try and have a look if these things okay. I will try. Okay, I think this is from the middle. So that's it. Put back in. Okay. Put back in the screw. This is a 4 screw there. And this is the terminal. So all done. So make sure that all the parts is all intact. And then there's an insulator on it. Just on the left, really secure. Yeah, on Isolito. Just another isolator on the side. Okay, have a look. If this thing's back to it's really expensive things this, so Saladmaster. Saladmaster skillet. It costs you how much of this? 35 or 25 pounds. So here is it. So I will try to test if also fine. Wow, I can see now that the digital is working. Okay, so you can select rice 2, and then you can select on. So this is the on. Stop. So you can adjust, you know, the temperature 70 Celsius, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So working now until 230 Celsius, this controller. So that's it. So the problem, because most of common of this, you know, there's what you call this one, moist coming inside, and then like corrosion, you know, the terminal of every part. So just only clean it, resoldered, and then I think it's good now. So I will try if I will test if there's 220, if I will switch on this. I think it's alright now. So if you can see, there's a 250 volts. Okay, working. So this controller is already fixed. So I didn't change any parts, just only resoldered, you know, the IC terminal. Um, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Fix It. If you need more question, I can answer and then help you how to fix your um, appliances, TV, everything in your house. So that now. Actually, this is not mine, from my friend. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.